This is Joanne Marie Rumford, and I'm doing this video in my apartment in Port Huron, Michigan. And today is Tuesday, February 4th, 2025. I just got a new vacuum cleaner, and I'll tell you, it's a Bissell vacuum cleaner, and it's the Power Force Rewind Pet Upright Vacuum. The series number is 3333, 4 threes. There's the box there, came in, and it has, you can see it this way, there's the tools in the back, in the front, and it's got a retractable power cord. The power cord is 30 feet long. I wanted to have at least that long a power cord. I had it in my last 2 vacuum cleaners. Now I wrote down the 2 YouTube videos I did on the previous vacuum cleaners I got, and the first one was a Hoover vacuum cleaner. They both were red in color. This one's green. Now the first one I got was, the name of the title of the YouTube video is Vacuum Cleaner by Hoover 10/18/2017 white and red stars with black background top. Now that was a Hoover, and that was in 2017. Then the next vacuum cleaner I got was a Bissell, and that was a red color. And the title of the YouTube video I did was Vacuum Cleaner, Bissell, Upright, and Mirror, and Stimulus Income Impact Payments, April 1st, 2021. Mirror and Stimulus Economic Impact Payments, April 1st, 2021. Now, it seems like the last 8 years I've gotten 2 vacuum cleaners. It seems like after 4 years I need a new one, so it's this is 2025 now, so this is the new one I have. Now I'll try the I'll plug it into the electric cord. Now I probably won't keep it rewound in the retractable. I'll keep the cord out and just wrap it around the vacuum cleaner. So let me plug it in. And let's try it. So that's the vacuum cleaner I got. Now I bought it at Walmart. In the 2 videos I did, the Hoover vacuum cleaner and the other Bissell, I might have said where I got those 2, but I can't remember where I got them right now. I think I got them both from Walmart, but I'm not sure. I think the last one I got in 2021 was in Walmart. The Hoover, I'm not sure. Okay, so I hope I got this in the video. So anyways, have a nice day, and goodbye for now. Bye. So I gotta walk to my camera and turn off. Okay.